Here I got a 2001 Nissan Pathfinder that won't start. I had a keeps on cranking over, nothing fires, and my fuel gauge reads 0. So I'm going to look and check my fuel pump. So to find the fuel pump, you go in the back seat right here, and underneath this little flap right here, you flip it up, and there's your fuel pump right there. I already took out the 4 bolts that go there, and you open it up, and there is your fuel pump. And notice that the wires have been cut or chewed because of the mice or rat. You see right down there that there's a hole that they can come up to and they can chew on it. So I am going to rewire the fuel pump and see if it works. But that's pretty much the main cause right there. Got your electrical and all, but it's just right in the back seat of the Pathfinder. Pick up the seat, and that is where your fuel pump goes, and you check the wire. All right, I had a connector because the wires were cut pretty short by the rodent. From the black to the black, I only had a red one there. Just give me a little bit of extension there. Still got these little tiny ones. I'm assuming those go to the fuel gauge sensor. So come back in here, put my key here, turn that on. See, my fuel gauge isn't working, but car cranks. So my fuel gauge, so I'm assuming those little tiny wires go to my fuel gauge, so I'll get those. But in the meantime, if you want to go subscribe to the channel, this way I can help you, you can help me, and all that, so we can do more. All right, I got the little wires, I believe that goes to the fuel gauge sensor. I got them spliced and rewired. I'm going to clean that up here in a little bit, but I want to make sure that my fuel gauge works. That comes in handy. Turn that on, fuel gauge is coming up, car cranks. There you go. Like I said, looked like rodents got in there, chewed up my wires. So like I said before, please subscribe to down below, and this way I can help you, you can help me, and